This is the Savvius tool. Here we have a serial port, the USB ports, and then the management port, and then of course other LAN cable ports or bridges, whatever you want to call it. So before you plug in to the power source, here is the power source, power port, and then here is where you turn it on. And here is a reset. You can reset it here. So before you plug into the power source, it's advisable you connect everything. So here we're going to connect to the management port. This is to enable us access the configurations of this device. So the management port, is right here, port 0. You can see, yeah. So after that, you can plug in your network cable. That's from the network that you're going to monitor. You plug it here. So we are plugging into the bridge, the network we are monitoring. Yeah, we plug it to the bridge. So after that, we can come over and then connect your power cable. Connect it, tie strong. So everything is connected right now. You can see it's not on, so there is no light here. So we're going to turn it on. We come over here, we turn it on. So as soon as we do that, oh, my bad, it was not plugged in. So you plug in, then you come over, you turn it on. You can see it's not on. A couple of lights are showing on the ports. So it's going to take about 30 seconds, 1 minute for it to boot. Yeah, sure, it's connected. So as soon as it finishes booting, you will hear a beep. So let's change this to this other port and see. Here. Yeah. So that was a beep to tell you they has finished booting. Sure. Screen. So before we show you the interface on the screen, let's come over to the desktop. So the LAN cable is... You've not been in video?
No, I've been video. I don't know when the thing stopped.
Okay. Yeah. So the first thing we'll do is to come over to Google Chrome. So this is Google Chrome. We'll access the IP address of this device. The IP address is 192. As soon as you do that, you are going to see it come up. So you log in roots, Savvius 2. Savvius is spelled Savvius, then 2. You click OK. Roots.
Yes, Savvius.
Savvius. Which is Insight 136 or whatever. You can do IP assignments, static IP or DHCP assignments. You can change a couple of configurations here, but I don't think we need to do anything. Even the time zone you can change it, but I don't think we need to do anything much. Just
apply now. We don't need to cancel.
If we apply, it's going to ask us for gateway. So we cancel. So that is that about configurations of the device, which is not very important. So next we are going to open the software that will enable us monitor the network traffic that is coming in. So you click here and then you do Omni. Remember, you need to access it as administrator. So you run it as administrator and then the device is going to open. So as soon as the device opens, you're going to find a couple of recent files having access, or you open maybe an existing file somewhere here, or you view capture engines, different capture engines. You can also take some time to read up on the documentations here, right there. So, but for now, what we're interested in is we want to log into the capture engines. So we are logging in. You can default login or whatever root login, and you connect. So as soon as you're connected, you could start a new capture. Forensic captures, we've done 4 sessions, files, forensic searches. adapters etc, but we want to do a new capture. Remember, you have to be connected very well. So start a new capture, click on new capture, then you come over here, you name your capture. I'm going to call it Mac and Anchor. So you click, you check other configuration statistics, one report every 1 minute, analysis options, make sure you click everything, and then graphs in case you need graphs and stuff. Then you click OK. It's going to tell you whether you want to optimize the capture for 2 ticks. Just continue, no need for optimization. So as soon as that happens, you'll be brought over to this dashboard showing current activity, logs, top protocols. For now, we've been running it for 10 seconds. Yeah, you can see data is coming in. Some of those data are via DNS or LNR. So all of this is monitoring the traffic right now, traffic of network coming in. But we are going to try and see if we make an HTTPS request, such as playing Adele.
You can open another tab to browse. Let's see, maybe to browse other things.
So we could open other tabs to browse. And maybe what next? Let's say Sky Spots. Yeah, Sky Spots. So Sky Spots. If I can spell Sky Spots. So go to football. So you're making different HTTPS requests, of course. You could see this is an HTTPS request. This is an HTTPS request. So let's see if we are able to capture it here. It doesn't seem to show. So packets of network that are coming in are being shown here, megabytes per second. But somehow we cannot do we need this?
You need it. That's the network that you're monitoring now. Forget about the HTTPS, okay? Because okay, the network that we are capturing through the modem now. Let me post it. Can't talk.
So we're going to save this network. Save the capture right now. We are going to stop the capture. So it's already stopped. We could analyze alarms, applications of this capture. You can see the summary of the capture here. Applications and stuff. Most of the connections, web service discovery took the largest percentage. MDNS and then UDP here, about 8.8%. So this is the visualization of whatever network came in. But what we wanted to find out was the HTTPS request. Where did it come from? Like that. I don't know what that is. I really can't interpret most of what I'm saying here. But I'm hoping that we'll probably learn more about it and see what we can do. So we'll go ahead and I think it's already saved, Save all packets. So we're going to save it as a normal packet here. to coin. So we'll be able to do capture. You recorded everything now. So you stop capture and save it. Why do you want to print the screen? You can't print screen on this. I don't think they have option for that for the software. You can just stop capture. Let's see if we can save the capture.
Those are obviously going to be against our.
Why is everything showing UDP? I thought it was showing.
Which one?
Okay, go to network.
Dashboard, and we have our media dashboard, and with our VoIP recording, you can now select.
So it tries to see if you can save this.
And you can do either
save all brackets.
Haven't selected a call. You can do an all calls report or a
save it as
report. So for starters, we'll just do the all calls report, and you'll see a dialogue here.
Yes. We will create. Let's create a folder inside document, right?
And there it is. Nicely
or inside.
Don't
have access to that.
We'll just look through here. You can see that we've got a little header with
where do we save it?
Information about when it happened,
here.
Where it happened from.
And
we've got statistics about it, a little summary. I believe some of these statistics are actually new
Insight.
for voice over IP.
Insights. Mark and
I'm covering that, yes. And then you've got
so you look at this.
distribution in there, real nice, easy to read, and
Good assignments were saved here now.
overview over time.
Are you seeing the other assignments here?
That occurred for those
Under
See
this
them here.
one.
This is a real nice improvement that is specific to voice.
Remember.
Okay.
We'll just go back and do the same thing
So
for a
let's
single
save.
call as well. And for a single call,
Insights. Rename.
we can pick the call, do a single call
Insights.
report, the same
Mark.
report, but it is for just that call. And there we go.
Let's see if we'll go back and
A report for
rename it.
just a
Have we?
single call. You can see here the call summary, just that call, and the call details.
Come back here.
Lots of information about the call, again, nicely formatted in a PDF report.
Rename it, please.
Events for just that
Just
call, and then as
stop
well,
the recording now.